What if the most eye-catching phone of the year wasn't a flagship? Meet the Nothing Phone 3A Lite, a bold budget twist on one of tech's most distinctive design languages. This is the fourth device in Nothing's Phone 3 lineup, joining the 3, 3A, and 3A Pro. But unlike its siblings, this one's all about accessibility. At just €249, it packs a surprising mix of style, performance, and practicality. Oh, and if you're in the US, don't get too excited. Nothing confirmed it won't be landing stateside. Wrapped in panda glass with an aluminum frame, the 3A Lite stays true to Nothing's visual DNA. Transparent, asymmetric, and refreshingly different. It's available in black or white, and that blend of matte and gloss, it's pure design poetry. Add an IP54 rating and the signature Essential key, and you've got a phone that looks premium without the premium price tag. The Glyph system makes a humble return, this time just a single LED. Minimal, yes, but clever. It's your notification beacon, your camera timer, even your light pattern messenger for calls and key contacts. Flip it face down and it switches to silent light alerts. Smart, simple, and delightfully old school. Powering the show is a 5,000 mAh battery, delivering 22 hours of YouTube playback or nearly 10 hours of gaming. Plug it in, and 33-watt fast charging gets you halfway charged in about 20 minutes. Perfect for people who live life at full brightness. Literally. On the back, a triple camera system takes charge, led by a 50-megapixel Samsung sensor, joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a macro lens. The front camera is 16 megapixels, crisp enough for all your social moments. And yes, it shoots 4K video, because budget shouldn't mean basic. That gorgeous display, a 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 3000 nits peak HDR brightness. That's brighter than some flagships. Whether you're gaming, binging, or doom scrolling, it looks smooth, vivid, and seriously sharp. Inside, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro 5G does the heavy lifting. It's 15% faster than last year's chip with double the AI performance and a liquid cooling system to keep things chill. You get 8 GB of RAM and storage options up to 256 GB. But there's a catch. Nothing's new software direction includes Lock Glimpse, rotating lock screen wallpapers powered by a Chinese ad platform. It's off by default for now. And yes, pre-installed third-party apps are coming too. They're removable, but it does make you wonder, is Nothing's promise of clean, bloat-free software starting to blur? The Nothing Phone 3A Lite. Bold design, real value, and just a hint of controversy. Would you buy one?